In 2024, the Oppein Innovation and Design Tower was officially unveiled, marking a major milestone in the company's journey of innovation and growth. For over 30 years, Oppein has led the home furnishing industry, and this new achievement brings fresh energy to propel the company forward as it embraces new opportunities. Located in the heart of the design capital of Guangzhou in Baiyun District, the Oppein Innovation and Design Tower holds a prime position as a key hub within the Guangzhou-Shenzhen Innovation and Technology Corridor. It is seamlessly connected to Guangzhou Baiyun International Airport to the north and Baiyun New Town to the south, with 3 metro lines, Line 2, Line 3, and the under-construction Line 14, converging nearby. The area is a vibrant cluster of design, innovation, and cultural resources, fostering the growth and transformation of Guangzhou's design industry. Architecturally, the Oppein Innovation and Design Tower features a deconstructivist style, skillfully incorporating natural elements into its design. The interplay of light and shadow across its facade enhances the sense of spatial depth, creating a distinctive and innovative appearance that radiates energy and creativity. Meanwhile, construction is underway for the second phase project, the Oppein Digital Intelligence Tower. Together, these two iconic buildings will reflect Oppein's innovative spirit and present a bold new image of the company on the global stage. As Oppein continues to expand in the home furnishing industry, the company remains committed to self-improvement and innovation. The newly completed Oppein Innovation and Design Tower, together with the Oppein headquarters, Oppein International Plaza, and the Oppein Intelligent Manufacturing Building, forms the central command hub of Oppein's operations. This integrated platform for decision-making, management, and strategic planning allows Oppein to adapt swiftly to the ever-changing market landscape, positioning the company as a leader in innovation and growth within the home furnishing industry. While building this command hub, Oppein Home Group has also expanded its reach across China, establishing 5 major intelligent production sites in the east, south, west, north, and central regions, with a total construction area exceeding 3 million square meters. These sites function as integrated operational centers, enhancing Oppein's ability to optimize resources nationwide. The company has also introduced a competitive mechanism among the production sites, leveraging market-driven strategies to drive reforms in production and product development, continuously improving delivery efficiency and service quality. With its commitment to quality and innovation, Oppein has opened more than 8,000 direct stores and franchise showrooms worldwide, spanning Europe, America, the Middle East, Asia, and Australia. Its products are now exported to over 130 countries across 6 continents, creating a truly global marketing and service network. The successful establishment of its 4 major industrial centers and 5 production sites has provided Oppein with a strong foundation to thrive in a dynamic and competitive market environment. It has also solidified its position as a globally influential leader in the modern home furnishing industry. Having celebrated 30 years of success, Oppein Home Group now embarks on an exciting new chapter of development, innovating, expanding, and shaping the future of home furnishing.